Wind power. It's the most readily available, cost-effective source of clean energy on Earth, a practical alternative to climate-changing fossil fuels. And offshore wind farming is one of the fastest-growing ways of generating clean energy. There are currently more than 500 wind turbines operating in open seas, from Ireland to Sweden. The United States, however, has yet to develop a single offshore wind farm. Some are concerned that wind turbines will be too visible from our shores. Deepwater Wind has the solution. A wind turbine foundation based on proven technology used in the offshore oil and gas industries, allowing for installation in deeper waters where they are virtually invisible from the shore. Monopile foundations are limited to shallow 70-foot waters near the shore. However, Deepwater Wind's proprietary jacket foundation technology allows wind turbines to be placed in waters up to 150 feet deep. Deepwater Wind's proprietary assembly system will ensure on-time delivery and more Rhode Island jobs. We assemble components almost entirely in port and then tow them out to sea. This not only maximizes construction efficiency, it also eliminates the need for costly European service vessels, which are already booked years in advance. Our onshore construction process means far more local Rhode Island jobs, helping to create a green-collar economy right here in the Ocean State. Here's how the assembly works. At a dockside location, deep water jackets, which will support the wind turbines, are assembled, then loaded onto a conventional barge and towed out to sea. Also at dockside, the towers and wind turbines are assembled on a heavy-duty rail system. Only 2 of the 3 turbine blades are mounted at this stage. The tower and turbine assembly then moves onto a proprietary assembly barge, developed by Deepwater Wind. The assembly barge holding 2 wind turbines and tower assemblies is then towed out to sea. The loaded assembly barge is designed to pass under the Newport Bridge. This is why only 2 of the 3 turbine blades are mounted in port. At the offshore location, pin piles are driven into the seabed to secure the jacket to the sea floor. The jacket is then lowered onto the pin piles. Finally, marine grout is used to cement the pin piles and the jacket. The jacket is now fully installed. The assembly barge now approaches. Using a float-over methodology, which is state-of-the-art in the oil and gas industry, the tower and turbine assembly is moved forward on its rails and mated with the jacket. Once more, note that the assembly of the turbine components is not required at the installation site, eliminating the need for expensive, heavy-lift vessels. The third blade can now be mounted on the hub, and the wind turbine can be commissioned. What does Deepwater Wind's new assembly methodology mean for the future of offshore wind power? It means clean, renewable energy on a whole new scale, helping increase American energy security. Each 200-turbine wind farm, powered by steadier, stronger winds far offshore, will be able to produce as much energy as a nuclear power plant and can be as invisible from the coastline as the wind itself. Deepwater Wind's technology also marks the birth of a new green-collar economy here in Rhode Island, the state where blue-collar jobs were born centuries ago. These green-collar jobs will once again make the ocean the economic engine of the Ocean State.